As we now know, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the structure of our web documents. Hypertext is any text that can be displayed on a web browser. On the other hand, markup language are tags that determine the structure of our web documents. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can display some text to our web browser, and we are also going to add some structure using HTML markup tags. So let's head back to my text editor where I have some text waiting. Okay, this is some text in my text editor. As you can see, I have this is what I supposed to be the headline of my text of my document. What is HTML? Let's preview this on the web browser and see how it appears. Well, as you can see, it displays just well. But wouldn't it be nice if we can structure our web document in sections with a headline and a paragraph? Let's say I want this to be the headline of this document. How can I achieve that? So let's head back to our text editor and see how we can achieve that. Let's add an h1 tag to the heading H. Wow. From what you've seen, this is known as an HTML tag. Tags usually come in pairs with a starting tag and an ending tag. Let's save this and take a look in our web browser to see how it looks. Oh, well, as you can see now, we have a headline which is distinguishable from the rest of the text. But before we go, I'm going to add one more tag to this web document known as the paragraph tag. So let's head back to our text editor. An opening tag or a start tag of P and a closing tag. Let's save this and preview on a web browser. Okay. Well, you can see this is the headline of my document and this is a paragraph of this document. So this is what HTML stands for, the structure of web pages. I can go ahead in my text editor, I will copy this, let's say, and I'll paste it 2 or 3 different times. Paste, paste. When I save this and preview it on our web browser, as you can see, we have a document now with different sections. A section with a headline, a paragraph, another section with a headline and a paragraph. So this is what HTML is. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking into the different HTML tags and how we can use them in our web design projects.